Hi guys, today we're going to show you a stunning new arrival. It's a 2018 Ford Transit 350 mobile workshop. It's the L2 H3 130 brake horsepower Euro 6. This has come direct to us from BT, so it's one owner, full service history. Let's have a look around. Well, a fantastic place to work out of, no expense spared, fully racked out on both sides. You've got your inverter, which supplies power to your 240 sockets. You've got a kettle to make a cup of tea or coffee, your microwave to heat your lunch up on the go. It's got a mini swing lift, lots of extras on this one. It's also got the diesel night heater, 2 seats in the front with heated seats, all ready to go. If you'd like any more information on this van, please contact Nick or Chris. Delivery, finance and warranty is available, and thank you for watching.